An hour's drive from the main building of the Empress Catherine II St. Petersburg Mining University in the Leningrad region, on a site with a total area of 14 hectares, there is an educational and scientific training ground of the University Sablino. Almost all students of both the mining university and partner universities can get acquainted with the basics of the future profession in the areas of training here. First of all, these are practical and production skills in the field of geophysical research of wells, hydrocarbon extraction, oil and gas storage, refining, system analysis, electric power industry, economics and management at resources companies. Students can get a whole range of working professions here, such as drilling rig operator, driller's assistant, a collector laboratory assistant, oil and gas production operator, well research operator, well flow meter, programmers, system programmers, information systems specialists, linear pipeliner, cartons assistant, electrician for tests and measurements, electrician for linear protection, electrician for transmission lines, automated control system, technician, software architect, crusher, flotation device, and others. At the base, internships with foreign partner universities and classes on additional professional education programs for employees of specialized companies are held. Especially for Sablino, the mining university is the only one in Russia within the framework of an educational and scientific landfill that has received a license to use the subsoil for the construction and operation of underground structures not related to mining. There are no oil and gas fields in St. Petersburg and the Leningrad region. Therefore, one of the priorities was the turnkey construction of 2 training and testing models, vertical and inclined, into which casing strings were lowered and cementing was carried out. The depth of a vertical well is 400 meters, and that of an inclined one is 350 meters. The project provides for the possibility of cutting side shafts to great depths. The model of a real field serves to provide visibility and increase the accessibility of modern knowledge for students, conduct scientific research, test new equipment of partner enterprises located in convenient transport accessibility from the landfill, and assess its operational reliability. The educational and scientific training ground of the mining university Sablino has the modernist equipment, including mobile drilling rig for drilling with rotor and downhole motors of production and exploration wells with a depth of up to 2,700 meters. Lifting rig for well development, maintenance and workover. The circulation system of the drilling rig, which includes a set of equipment for the preparation, processing and storage of drilling mud necessary for drilling wells. Pumping drilling rig with diesel drive designed to supply drilling mud to the well. Mixing and averaging unit for the preparation of grouting solutions for cementing oil and gas wells. Pumping unit for pumping working fluids during drilling. Mixing plant for transporting dry powdered materials and preparing cement mortar for cementing wells. Drilling complex for drilling by the method of hydraulic core transportation, used in the search and exploration of deposits for solid minerals. Drilling rig for drilling, geophysical and structural exploration. Wells, drilling for water. Drilling rig for engineering and geological surveys and exploration in hard-to-reach rugged terrain. In addition, several unique geological explorations, geophysical, field and auxiliary equipment are used here. With such an almost complete range of diverse equipment used in the country's mineral resource complex, the landfill allows students to gain skills and experience that are impossible in highly specialized practice at enterprises. In addition, the landfill infrastructure includes an educational building with classrooms, computer labs, educational stands, a dining room and living rooms for 44 people. A dormitory with studio apartments for 64 people is under construction, as well as a new laboratory building with co-working and a storage of core and oil samples. In the near future, the construction of separate buildings for the scientific centers Arctic and problems of processing mineral and man-made resources, a platform for the transport and storage of oil and gas, and an energy landfill. The Sablino educational and scientific training ground has no analogues in Russia. and the scale of the ambitious project created on this foundation will obviously consolidate the leadership of St. Petersburg Mining University in the rankings of world universities.